A little chilly afternoon. Oh, delivered. Daddy's got a package. Let's go see. Oh, there it is. Let's get it. Not today, porch pirate! Not today! Fast little, I'm getting the truck. It's gorgeous outside today. Welcome back, everybody. If you stuck around and you saw the intro, you might have an idea what we're working on today. You might also can tell from listening to me, I'm a little bit under the weather. So we're going to do something a little different today. I'm not going to come to you from our garage. I'm going to come to you guys from our dining room. So we're going to do a short little unboxing today. Today's video is sponsored by Mckee'S 37. That's who sent this stuff. I have no real idea what's in the box, so you guys are going to get to see it at the same time I'm going to get to see it. So we might be surprised. It's a little care package. I will have the link to their website that actually just launched today, their new site. So I'll have the link to that in the description below. You'll be watching this way after they've launched the new website, but use the link below to get to that. So, all right, well, let's see what's in the box. All right, so here we are in our dining room. We've got the box. Mckee'S 37. It's totally sealed. I have not unwrapped it. I don't know what's in here. Again, since I'm not feeling well, got my warm drink. We've got our trusty steak knife to help open. Now, one thing when you do an unboxing, you want to be careful about what's inside. So, when you've ordered that package of honeybees, you don't want to come straight in, open it that way. That way you don't cut open the container that the bees are in, and then when you open the box, now you have a house full of bees, right? It's never happened to me, but you could imagine what it would be like if it did. So, I'm going to gently take the knife. It's better if you have a sharper knife. Remember, everyone, safety first. Don't cut towards your body, cut towards your buddy. Always remember that. So, I like to lift up a little bit. I put my fingers under the board, but I don't put it where I'm cutting, so that way it's up off of the box a little bit. Remember, sharp knife is better. This is where you really need to be careful. Again, Mckee'S 37. Now remember, if you don't know anything about Mckee'S, they have a marine section, a bunch of marine products. They also have the auto products. Hey, look at that. Product spotlight. Nick Rudder, again. Thank you so much for that. Okay. It's exciting. Super exciting. Oh. Packaged well. Wow. Again, Nick, thank you so much. We've got some red line pad system. Mckee'S, this is their cutting pad. It's the yellow. We've got 2 of those. And when I talked to Nick, I was like, hey, I want to do a couple of comparison videos. So my idea was to take their cutting pads, use some of their product and a competitor's product, and cut the same scratch that I have in the hood of my truck. Cut that out and compare them together. So that video will be coming. Here's their orange polishing pad. Now all these pads are 7/8 thick, okay, and they're 5 3/4 inches. So for a 5.5 inch backing plate, you have a 1/4 inch overlap. It's like perfect size. There's that. Okay. All right. Okay, so there is the bucket with the seal. Now this is an O-ring seal. I don't know if you guys can see that. See the O-ring there. So you can actually make up your water, close your bucket, and you could take it to the car wash. I don't recommend it because remember, car wash rules, typically no hand washing at the car wash. I've done it. So you can do it. Usually you want to do it after hours, but this allows you to make up your water, make it up with warm water, with the soap you want, and then screw your lid on so that it's watertight. A couple more pads. These are all in one pad. Perfect. Again, same size, right? 5 3/4, 7/8 thick. It's a hook and loop backing, so it just sticks. You're going to center it on your backing plate. But this is all in one pad, so 2 of those. That'll be perfect because I do have like one steps. So I have some Adams one step that I was wanting to compare to the Mckee'S 37 one step. So some black finishing pads and another orange polishing pad. Yeah, you can see the logo on the back there, Mckee'S 37. Yes, Hydro Blue. So this is the SiO2. This is the Hydro Blue Pro. Now I've used similar, I think it was their older, I believe it was their older makeup of it, but this is SiO2, so a ceramic coating that is the easiest to put on. So if you've watched any of the other videos, right, you've seen me coat the Hyundai in the spray on, right? You can see that in the card up here. You can watch that video if you want. But this is their new Hydro Blue Pro. The way that that you put this on, you are going to wash the car. You're going to clay it. You're going to polish it. You're going to remove all defects, right? So after you wash the vehicle, and then while it's still wet, this is what's so good about this. While it's still wet, you spray it on, you hose it off, you're done. So you not only can you use it as a drying agent because it's super easy, but you're also protecting the car. And I want to say that the protection for this with the spray on, no wipe on, I want to say it's like 6 months, 5 to 6 months, I believe. So there's that. There's this 365 ceramic spray. Now it's a little bit different than the Hydro Pro. This one, you're going to use an applicator. You're going to apply it, wait 2 to 3 minutes for it to haze up, and then you're going to buff it off. So this one is applied similarly to the ones that we saw, again, up in the card. And so that's similar to that. And we have some more packing. Oh, here's a ceramic detail spray. So this one is going to be like a waterless wash, kind of like just a detail spray, right? You wash the car, you dry it, you protect it, you drive it to the car show. You get to the car show, you use a little bit of this ceramic detail spray, you wipe it down. Remember, you're going to want to flip every time you wipe, flip the cloth, have another like clean side, right? Because once you wipe it, there's now dirt on that side. You want a clean side to do another swipe. So Tarmax tar remover. Okay, so a lot of people have their tar remover products. I wanted to try this one. I haven't tried Mckee'S 37, so I wanted to try it. I do have a car coming up that has some problem with some tar on it, and it's a white, well, it's a white Mercedes. But the customer was complaining that there was some tar on there, and he was having a tough time getting it off. So I asked Nick, hey, I want to try your tar remover. So he sent that. Yes. What I was super excited about, right? So this is the Mckee'S 37 one step. This is going to be machine applied. I'm going to use my dual action polisher, right? I'm going to use one of the pads so that it all works together. It's the Redline pad system with the one step. So we're gonna use that, and we'll probably, like I said earlier, we'll pit this one step against Adam's one step, and we'll remove that scratch in the hood of the truck. And we'll see, we'll see which one's better. Some more packing. Now this bucket, this was, again, Nick, thank you so much. This bucket is perfect. This is one of their grit guards. I love this grit guard better. So I've got a grit guard from Chemical Guys, and it has all the holes, but there's these conical holes. So the problem is when you throw your soap in and then you throw your grit guard in and you try to use your power washer to activate the soap, it shoots back in your face. And so with these grit guards, they're further off the ground, they're further off the bottom of the bucket, as you can see, but it's a straight through. So the pressure washer is going to go through all of these slats, hit the bottom, it's going to mix better. So it's a much better system of doing it. So again, you guys have got, we've got some videos coming where we're going to demonstrate these products. Again, Nick, I appreciate it. So stay tuned, everybody. And next time I should be coming to you from, well, our garage and not our dining room.